Welcome to the AI race, where two global superpowers are competing for dominance in the world of artificial intelligence. On one hand, we have the United States of America, a country known for its innovative spirit and technological advances. And on the other hand, we have China, a nation that has rapidly emerged as a powerhouse in the world of AI. The stakes are quite high as both are prepared to compete with one another for supremacy in this field and are pouring billions of dollars into research and development. The winner of this race will not only reap enormous economic rewards, but also gain a significant military advantage. This is yet another of the races that these countries are holding against each other. But why is this AI race so important? And what are the implications for the future of technology and society? Well, to find out, let's take a deeper look at the battle of AI. The race to develop AI has become one of the most fiercely contested battles of the 21st century. Artificial intelligence has already given us killer robots, chatbots that can write government speeches, softwares that can digest data quicker than our minds, and even technology that can create seemingly creative art on demand. Therefore, it is now understandable why the world powers are rushing to control this new technological terrain. China is a global leader in AI, and it has made significant investments to strengthen its AI research community. The government is pushing AI as a strategic priority, investing billions of dollars in research and development. They have set an ambitious goal to be the world leader in AI by 2030. The Chinese tech giants, such as Alibaba, Baidu, and Tencent, are also investing heavily in AI and have become some of the largest players in the field. But the US isn't taking this competition lying down. American companies have been at the forefront of AI research for years, and they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Silicon Valley remains the hub of innovation in the tech world, and American universities are home to some of the brightest minds in the field. But that's just the start of it. China has also made impressive strides in developing AI-powered military technology, including drones that can fly autonomously and target enemy aircraft. Their military has also invested heavily in developing sophisticated surveillance systems and advanced weapons. Meanwhile, the U.S. Air Force claims to have created AI-powered drones with facial recognition technology that will be used for special operations overseas. According to scientists, the Air Force could now equip autonomous drones, which might lessen the role of human operators and allow self-piloting drones to carry out missions on their own. Drones have provided the U.S. military with benefits, but they have also come under harsh criticism for their links to civilian losses. Apart from that, users in China have had only limited access to ChatGPT. Links to these workarounds apparently ceased showing up in search results on Tencent's WeChat and Alibaba's Taobao platforms from the 10th of February onwards. Due to this, some local AI-based chatbot projects are in development and should be made available to the public this year. Baidu's ErnieBot, for example, is expected to be released in March, including almost all features available in ChatGPT and more. However, data on facial recognition doesn't necessarily help you in other areas, does it? Well, Facebook and YouTube both have over 2 billion users, compared to WeChat's 1.2 billion users, which leaves China to have comparatively less data advantage than the US. What matters more is whether companies or government institutions can analyze the data that they have and apply it towards machine learning applications. But the AI race isn't just about economic and military power. It also raises significant ethical concerns, including the potential loss of jobs to automation and the risks of AI being used to violate personal privacy and civil liberties. China is building a vast network of smart cities, where every aspect of life is monitored and controlled by AI. It's a vision of a highly efficient, automated society where everything from traffic flow to public safety is controlled by algorithms. China's vision, where every aspect of life is monitored and controlled by AI, raises questions about personal privacy and government surveillance, as well as safety of citizens. Meanwhile, American tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are at the forefront of developing AI technologies. From self-driving cars to intelligent voice assistants, they're leading the charge in creating AI-powered products that could transform the way we live our lives. And on the other side, the U.S. is struggling with the potential loss of jobs to automation and the need to retrain workers for a new economy. However, the stakes in this race are high, and both nations are determined to win. Whoever leads the race in AI will not only greatly benefit economically, but also gain a significant military advantage. The AI race between China and America is a battle for supremacy that will shape the future of our world. Who will come out on top remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure: the impact of AI will be felt for generations to come. So who do you think will win the race? Will it be the tech giants of Silicon Valley or the cutting-edge startups of China? But as we move forward, we must remember that AI is a tool, and it's up to us to decide how we use it. Will we use it to create a better world, or will we let it tear us apart? The choice is ours, and may gravely impact our future. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest technological advancements.